by the back door, we have this rock ledge, and my kids have helped me to box off a garden here that gets plenty of afternoon sun where I can sit easily and work with this garden. They also wanted to install a new deck next year, so this year they just want to paint the stairs. I am sitting on the walls painting, even if it's just a little help. I am helping to paint the paint on the chair rails for them so they can have some help getting done what they want, because they're always so good at helping me. It's a little win to have some things done and find out you can do some things better than doing no things. If you or someone you love has Parkinson's disease, please follow my channel for more information on how to live with Parkinson's disease and how to make little changes that give quality back to your life. Give this video a thumbs up and share it so people get to know how to change their lives. Thank you.